Brother Black Spider here with another unboxing review. This is Acqua de Parma Blue Mediterraneo. This is 75 milliliter, 2.5 fluid ounce version. Made in Italy, this cologne that lasted around 6 hours features a light citrus tone, a strong, fruity, flowery, sweet smell that'll make you feel as if you're near the sea. But as time goes on, the citrus smell does fade, not by much. You got the other smells to fall back on. This works well during the morning and evening time. This cologne shines the best, however, during the summertime and casual settings. In my opinion, women can also wear this as well. It's one of those good unisex smells that's not too strong for her, not too soft for him. Also, it's pricey. The cheapest I've seen it is $87. It's worth an experience if you can find it for cheaper. This is Brother Black Spider, and I'm out. Peace.